The throttle body is essentially the breathing valve for your car's engine. It sits directly between the air filter box and the engine intake manifold. Every time you step on the gas pedal, you are actually controlling this specific component, not the fuel injectors. It acts as the ultimate gatekeeper, deciding exactly how much outside air is allowed to enter the engine block. Inside the thick metal housing of the throttle body is a circular brass or aluminum plate called a butterfly valve. When your foot is off the gas pedal, this valve stays almost completely closed, letting in just enough air to keep the engine idling. As you press down on the pedal, the plate pivots open to create a clear, wide path for massive amounts of air to rush inside. This sudden rush of air is closely monitored by the engine computer using a series of sensors. When the computer sees the throttle body opening up, it instantly commands the fuel system to spray more gasoline into the cylinders. This combination of extra air and extra gas creates much larger explosions, pushing the pistons down faster and making your car accelerate. On older vehicles, a physical metal cable connected the gas pedal directly to the throttle body. When you pushed the pedal, it physically pulled the butterfly valve open. Modern cars use a completely electronic drive-by-wire system. A sensor on the pedal sends an electrical signal to a small electric motor mounted right on the throttle body to open the plate. Over thousands of miles of driving, sticky black carbon buildup can easily accumulate around the edges of the butterfly valve. This thick grime prevents the metal plate from closing properly or causes it to stick when you try to accelerate. A dirty throttle body is one of the leading causes of a rough idle, poor gas mileage, and sudden engine stalling at stoplights. Simply cleaning the inside of the throttle housing with a specialized spray solvent can often restore lost engine power and fix a rough idle. It is a vital yet simple mechanical gateway. By controlling the airflow, the throttle body dictates the heartbeat and overall power output of your entire vehicle.